Hi guys, here 48 divided by 2 times, here 9 plus 3 is 12. Now here 48 divided by this is 2 times 12 is 24. Now 48 divided by 24 is 2. 2 is the wrong answer. As per the order of operations, this 2 is the wrong answer. Now here we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here this is a bracket, higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this we are going to introduce another rule called left to right. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per the PEMDAS, this is the higher priority. Bracket is higher priority than other operations. So 48 divided by 2 times 9 plus 3 is 12. Now here we have division and multiplication. Both are here equal priority. For this we are going to follow another rule called left to right. Left to right here is this one. 48 divided by this 2. So this is 24 is the 48 divided by 2 times this 12. Here 24 times 12 is 288 is the correct answer.